Hello guys! Want to launch Abaqus CAE 2023 straight from the command line? 2 commands, 1 result. Here's how it works. In this quick video, I'll show you 2 ways to open Abaqus 2023 using commands in Windows, first with the version command, then with the generic command. Let's jump in. Let's open the Abaqus command prompt. I am in the command prompt. I'll type Abaqus 2023 CAE and press enter. This starts Abaqus CAE specifically for the 2023 installation. I'll close Abaqus now so we can try the second command. Back in the Abaqus command terminal, I'll type Abaqus CAE and enter. Same result, Abaqus CAE 2023 opens. Why? Because Abaqus is a generic launcher that points to your active or latest installed version. On my machine, that's 2023. During installation, Abaqus adds command files under the Simulia commands folder. You usually get a version shortcut like Abaqus 2023 and a generic one called Abaqus. Both can launch CAE when you add CAE after them. If you see not recognized as an internal or external command, either open the Abaqus command shortcut from your start menu, or add the Simulia / commands folder to your path environment variable. The same commands work in PowerShell as well. That's it, Abaqus 2023 CAE or Abaqus CAE, both open Abaqus CAE 2023. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick engineering how-to.